Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a haul. I went to Michael's yesterday and picked up a few things, and then I also received my Buttons Galore and More Christmas box. So I thought I would share those with you. First, I wanted to show you this rosette that I made. This is the first time I've ever made a rosette and been successful with it. They're a little tricky, but once you do it correctly, it comes together like a breeze. So I'm doing a swap, so I'm gonna make 2 rosettes, decorate one of them, and leave the one undecorated for my partner. But I just wanted to show that off. We use these as embellishments or ornaments or different things like that. So that is the rosette. Then let's get into the holiday box from Buttons Galore and More, and it tells you all the things that you get in it. This has a box exclusive promotion. Oh, you get a free candy cane embellishment set with a purchase over $40 on our website. Oh, okay. So let's dive into what we got in our box. Let me set this over out of the way. The first thing that we got is a subscription box free gift, and we got some charms. You got some snowflakes, some bells, some Christmas ornaments, super cute Christmas ornaments. So there are some charms, or flatbacks. Some of them are flatbacks. So there is that. And then we got this box exclusive of jewels, which are embellishments. You can use these in like a shaker mix, or you can use them by themselves. But super cute. All the colors of Christmas. Very sparkly. Then we got these golden pearl embellishments. Looks like we have small, medium, and large. I love these too. They're super cute. I like that all the stuff is so sparkly. It's gonna really look good on projects. Then we got this gingerbread cottage. These are buttons and flatbacks. So you get some gumdrops, some lollipops, gingerbread little boy and girl, a gingerbread house, and then little candy pieces. Next, we have a shaker mix with clay bits. It has the Grinch, candy canes, snowflakes, Santa hats, Christmas trees. I'm trying to think. And then just little jimmies in there as well. Some hearts. So a lot of clay bits in this one. And then we get colors of Christmas buttons. Super cute. Some of them look like little candy pieces. So those will be great for projects. And then we get these buttons. Holiday fun with all of the light bulbs. And then last but not least, we get these sparkling sentiments, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, Yuletide, mistletoe, Santa, and ho ho ho. And these are little wooden sentiments. So that is everything in the Christmas box. I love the Buttons Galore and More subscription. It really gives you a lot of embellishments to use and mixes to really up your game on your projects. Next, I got a few things at Michael's. Actually went to Dublin this time because it's the only place I could find this paper pad. So I drove the 30 minutes to Dublin. But this paper pad is called Candy Brights. I saw my friend Liana on It's a Deal haul this, and so I knew I needed it in my stash. Let me show you the pages that you get. I believe you get 2 of each one, and they have gold foil. You get your cut-aparts. Some candies. I love this color that they've used in this collection. Some more cut-aparts. Love this pink foil. The merriest time of the year. This is pretty too. Then we have some strips, snowflakes, little prism-like ornaments. Ooh, that'll make you dizzy. Some tags and more cut-aparts. Some candy pieces and candy canes. This one's pretty with that hot pink. Then we have the stockings, the lights, some more of that pink foil, a bunch of sentiments. These would be nice to frame. Let me do that. There's more of that pink foil, super pretty. Some candy pieces, some ornaments, and then some snowflakes. So love this paper pad. It's called Candy Brights. Originally it's $19.99. I believe it was either 40 or 50% off. It would have been 40% off because I paid $11.99 for it. So I ordered it online and then went and picked it up to make sure that they had it. Then when I was there picking up my order, I found this one pack of the Snow Globe vellum. So it's all kinds of vellum paper. But you get 2 of each sheet, snowflakes. I hope you can see that. It's kind of hard. Hold it up a little bit. It's all kinds of different snowflakes. The white on white is hard to see. But this was also $19.99 and it was on sale for $11.99. So you get 24 sheets in this one. And then I have a swap coming up. So it's an Advent swap, and we have to wrap each thing and then tag them for the 12 days of Christmas, 12 days before Christmas. So I wanted these treat bags to put some of my embellishments and some of my swap things in. So I didn't have any Christmas ones. This was not on sale because it was sold in the bakeware. So it was $3.99. And then I picked up some of the die cuts. I had trouble finding this package, and I ordered it at a different Michael's and was going to drive, you know, 10 or 20 minutes further. But when I stopped in Dublin and went in, this is the only one that I had not ordered, and they had it in there. So I was able to pick it up. But here are all the pieces. I like to use these chunkier pieces to put as a background in a embellishment. I believe you get 2 of each one, 24 pieces, and these were 50% off as well. So they were, I think they were $2.99. 40% off, that's what it was. And then I got these. These are more wintry, but some holidays. And they also have foil. I wonder, do these have foil? I don't think these have. Yeah, they do. This one has silver foil. This one has silver foil. So that's nice. See, those snowflakes would be perfect for a little background. You get 2 of each piece for 24 pieces. And then this last one, these are a little bit smaller, but you do get 2 of each piece. I love like the ones with the greenery and stuff. They're great for background pieces. So super cute. And then I picked up one of these. I think this was $1.99. And you get Christmas trees and Santa hats. I think I have one that was snowflakes that I got last year, but these will be perfect for little background embellishments too. And they're very sturdy. So that is my haul from Michael's, and my Buttons Galore and more. And yeah, and so I made a rosette finally. Super excited about that. I have to make 2 more. So I'm not big on die cutting. At least I haven't done it a lot in the past. I'm learning to do it more. I am asking for a Cricut Joy Extra for Christmas so that I don't have to die cut as much, but we'll see. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.